Today I'm going to be testing out the Cookeez Makery Pancake Treatz set and the Freezy Cakez fridge play set. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you how they work.
Welcome to the Story Weaver, where the magic of childhood comes back to life. From mystery blind boxes to toy reviews of both new and nostalgic lines, and deep dives into the cartoons we grew up loving. Whether you're a collector or just here for the memories, it's time to unwrap some fun. Let's weave some magic.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time. My name is Weaver, and this is the Story Weaver channel, where I open up blind box toys, blind bag toys, some regular toys, test them out, kind of play with them, check them out, see if they're worth the hype, and tell you what I think of them. So today, we are going to be opening up some Cookeez Makery items. I have got the Pancake Treatz, where you can make a little stuffed pet pancake animal. And I also have the Cookeez Makery Freezy Cakez fridge, where you can make like an ice cream cake that comes out of the cooler. So we're going to check these out and go through the motions with them, and I'll tell you what I think of them at the end. So it looks like both of them make a surprise pet. Both of them they're reusable. You can do the, basically like the magic trick, I guess, again. But we're going to go through the motions and see what I think about these. I think we'll start with the Pancake Treatz. I'm going to go ahead and unbox these before we get started, so I don't have to go through that on camera. So I will be right back and have these unboxed. Okay, up first, we are going to do the pancake pet. So this is what it came with. It has some Cookeez Makery, I guess this is pancake mix, do not eat. We've got a little spatula, and our recipe book or instructions. Here's what it comes with: the little pan, spatula, and pancake mix. So let's take out these plastic bits. I've already done that. I'm going to put the batter into the pan and then flip it with the spatula, or it says spread it out with the spatula. And then shake it around like it's frying the pancake, and then we'll flip it to get our animal to pop out. And then we take it off. And you can squeeze it, the pancake pet, and it activates more sounds. And it says squeeze to activate nurture sounds and to deactivate motion sounds. It says your pet will go to sleep mode after 2 minutes. And then it gives some instructions on how to replay. But I don't know, is there only one pet that you can get? I guess so. I don't know, we'll see. Here we get. So let's go ahead and open up our pancake mix. And these are from Moose Toys, if you're not familiar. It's a little closer. Well, my pancake mix doesn't want to come out. Come out, pancake mix. That is some thick pancake mix. Okay. Here we go. We have got some pancake mix. It says to kind of push it around in a circle. Kind of looks like some silly putty. This is not going to make a very pretty pancake. Then it says to start shaking it around. It's not really making any noise. And it says, oh. And we have our pet. Twist it. And there we have our little pet. And it's a little dog pancake. Chocolate chips. Awesome. I don't know what's wrong with it. I think the battery's dead on it. Because it really wasn't making any noises when I played with it. It was just making, I don't know if you can hear it, that noise. So I have the feeling the battery's maybe dead on it. So that's not cool. It smells like chocolate. It's very cute. So cool. Maybe I'll get some replacement batteries and try it again and see if it'll, because it's supposed to make frying sounds like you're cooking it. But this one did not. But at least the action worked. So, but it is very cute. And it smells good. So I'll put him back on his little thing, and I will move him out of the way. And I will be right back with the fridge, and we'll go through the motions on the fridge. Okay, I am back. I have got it open and prepared. And here is what came in the box and in the refrigerator. All of this stuff was inside this little box inside the refrigerator. So this is a recipe for love, 100% delicious scent. It's on the back. These are the different ones that you can get. There's Tiger Berry Ripple, Strawberry Unicake, and Minty Polar Bear. So also inside was a little mold. After you mix up the cake mix, a scoop to help mix up the cake mix and spread your ice cream out, a little measuring cup for your water, a decoration for your cake, and here is the ice cream for your cake, and here is the cake mix. And I brought in this bowl to mix the cake mix up in, and this is a very cool bowl though. I found this at Five Below. Are you surprised? I'm not. But it's the Care Bear Cousins. It's a ramen bowl. Isn't that awesome? It came with chopsticks and a little spoon too. I thought it was awesome. But there you have that. So I'm going to go ahead and mix up the cake mix. It's just to put some water in our measuring cup here. And I'm going to mix it up. I'll go ahead and do that off camera to save time. So it says to open this up. I'm just going to cut this. I'm going to dump my water in. And also, before we start This is the instruction recipe book that came with it. There it shows what comes with it. I've already taken the yellow things out of the inside. It says you'll need some water in a mixing bowl. And then it goes through the steps. Mix the cake mix. Put it into the mold. And put the ice cream on top and the decorations. And then we'll put it in the refrigerator and let it chill. And then our little ice cream cake pit will come out. So cool. So I'm going to mix this up and I will be right back. Okay, I am back. And I have got the dough mixed up. I will tell you though, it was pretty messy. Yeah, it was pretty messy. So I've got the dough rolled up in a ball like they said. I actually had to go wash my hands before continuing because it was stuck all over my hands and I couldn't get it off. But then it says to squish it in the pan here to make the mold. It's just to squeeze that, and out pops your little animal. So there's the cake. And it says to open up your ice cream. Spread it on the cake. This is what that looks like. Now I'll put some putty. That's some thick icing. Okay, there's our icing. It says to put it on top. And to spread it around with your ice cream scoop. And then put on your thing. I'll move this out of the way. This out of the way, and this out of the way. And then it says to take your cake and put it in there on the refrigerator. And then it says to turn the timer to -10 or the temperature and shut it. And it's supposed to make some music. Not hearing any music. Okay, we're going to try this again. Oh, the bell has dinged. It's making some noise. And the thing is shaking. So let's open it up. And there's our cake. And it is shaking because it's cold. Here's my little cake. This is the tiger. It's got some tiger stripes, chocolate on top. make some noises. That's awesome. And you can redo it again if you want to. So very cool. Awesome. And there's a different setting. You put it on the play setting. It's very cute. Okay, there you have it. The Cookeez Makery. Oh, he's still going on. He said, rah, rah, rah. The ice cream cake refrigerator set and the pancake puppy sets. Actually, there's different animals that you get. This is a pancake. I think there's a cat too. I don't know what else. They didn't have a list of what was on there. They're cool. Okay, tell me what you think of these. Did you get these? What do you think of them? I love the little noises he's making. But there you have it. That's my toy opening for today. What do I think about these? I mean, it was okay. The cake mix was very messy. If you do that, make sure you're near a sink or have something to wipe kids' hands off with because it was very messy. But once I got it made, it was fine. On both of these, what they called the pancake mix and the icing was very thick and hard to get out of the package. The pancake dog, his batteries are actually dead, so I don't know what kind of noises he's actually supposed to make. But the ice cream cake tiger is very cute. The puppy's very cute too. I need to get some batteries to see what he does. Because he's just making like a little clicking sound. But there you have it. They're a little bit, I think it's a little bit pricey for what it was. The pancake puppy was cheaper, a lot cheaper than the actual refrigerator. But I guess if after you get it, you could use it for play, like in a dollhouse or something, or in a kid's little play kitchen, which is cute. So up to you. I mean, it's fun. It's replayable. You can do it again. And there you have it. Cookeez Makery. I am out. Later. Oh, he's shaking. He's not ready to go yet. It's cold. Okay, now I'm really out. Later.